I'm here to discuss flower arranging today, specifically for your dining room table. Today we're going to do a flower arrangement in a little floral cup, a centerpiece cup, and in order to put our flowers in there, we have to have some floral foam, like I showed you in the last segment. And we soaked our floral foam and got it good and wet. And this particular dish takes a third of a brick. So I'm just going to use my knife, cut the floral foam, and put it in the dish. Now I want to be sure to put the holes down so that it will continually soak up the water. As we're using our centerpiece and having it sitting out, we want it to be able to soak up water to keep the flowers hydrated. Then we add a little water to our dish so that the flowers will stay hydrated all the time we're working on it. And now some of the things, if you're doing a centerpiece like for an elegant evening dining and you want to add a candle, they have little candle cups that go in the foam. You just poke it right in and you can put a candle. We do a lot of those like at Christmas time, Valentine's, we'd use a red candle. Christmas, I've used white and red. Our Thanksgiving centerpieces, we use an orange candle or maybe a tan candle. I've even had some that are like a pale green that look really nice with a flower arrangement. If you have a larger candle and you want that, now this particular dish would be a little bit too small for this type of candle in your centerpiece, but if you were doing one of the larger bowls, you could easily add a larger candle to it. So those are some of the options if you were doing for a formal sit-down dinner.